Dinner is ready.
Oops.
Oh no, you dropped the plate.
Emma! Emma did it!
Emma, be careful, please.
But Mom, it was not me.
Oh no.
Oh no. Dad's laptop. I will clean it.
What happened? My laptop!
Emma spilled the water, Dad. Dad, that is not true. Tom was carrying the glass. She is lying. She spilled the water. I am angry. What happened? Emma kicked the ball. Emma broke the TV.
Emma! Go to your room right now!
It is not fair. They do not believe me. I will run away. I am going. Goodbye.
Emma! Open the door. Emma?
Mike! Come here! Right now!
Oh no. Emma! Where is Emma?
Oh my goodness. She ran away.
Where is Emma?
It is my fault, not Emma's. I broke the plate. I spilled the water on Dad's laptop. I kicked the ball at the TV. We did not listen to her.
We must find her right now. Emma! Emma! Where are you?
Emma! Please come back!
Emma! Over there! Oh, thank goodness you are safe.
My girl, I am so sorry. We were wrong.
We will always listen to you from now on.
Emma, I broke everything. I lied. I am so sorry. Please do not leave. It is okay, Tom. I forgive you.
Let's go home.
Hi, friends. Today we all learned something important. Never run away from home. It is dangerous. And never tell a lie.
Parents must listen to your kids.
Always find out the truth.